Good morning, sir.
So before we start our lesson, I have here pictures. And you will tell me what do you see in the picture. Okay? Are you ready, class?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you see in this picture?
A kite.
Okay? Another?
Sun.
Okay, very good. So what do you think is the color of these things?
They're all color yellow.
Okay, very good. So what is this? What do you think, or what do you see in these pictures?
A umbrella.
Okay, very good. So what is the color of the umbrella?
Red.
Red. So another, what do you see?
The sky is color blue.
Okay, very good. So the sky is color blue. And last, what do you see in this picture?
A crayons.
Okay, crayon. So what do you see? What do you think are the colors of the crayon?
They're red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple.
Okay, very good. So now that you know, now that I think that you know, what is our topic for today?
I think it's all about colors.
Okay, very good. So our topic is all about
Colors.
colors. Okay, so our topic for today is all about the primary and
Secondary colors.
okay, very good. So our topic for today is all about the primary and the secondary colors. So before we start our discussion about the primary and secondary colors, what do you think first are colors?
Colors make around us, it makes everything around us colorful and attractive.
Okay, very good. So based on your classmate, colors makes things around us more beautiful and
Attractive.
attractive. So colors here. So colors is the reflection of light that pleases the eye. So it makes the things around us colorful and beautiful.
Yes.
So your classmate is correct. Please give her a round of applause. Okay. So now let us proceed to the types of colors. So there are two types of colors. What do you think are these colors?
The primary and secondary colors.
Okay, very good. So we have two types of colors. One is the primary color and the second is the secondary color. So, okay, so when we say primary colors, everybody please read.
They are the parents of all the colors. Those primary colors are red, yellow, and blue.
Okay, very good. So thank you. So when we say primary colors, these are the colors that we see, or these are the colors that are the dominant colors. So here, the colors here are red, yellow, and blue. So can you tell me an example of the color red?
Apple.
Okay, very good. How about the color blue?
The sky.
Okay, the sky. How about the color yellow?
Mango.
Mango. Okay, very good. So these colors, these primary colors are, so these three colors are an example of a primary color. So how about the secondary color? Please read.
Secondary colors are the children of all the primary colors. The secondary colors are green, orange, and violet.
Okay, very good. So when we say naman po secondary colors, these are the child or the combination of the primary colors. So for an example of these are
eggplant.
Eggplant, very good. So now that you know the secondary colors, now let us proceed to how do we get these secondary colors. So for example, we have here the color, what do you call these colors?
Yellow and red.
Okay, yellow and red. So when we combine yellow and red, what do you think is the color that will be made?
Orange.
Okay, very good. So when we combine the color yellow and color orange, we get the color.
Sir, it's yellow and red.
Sorry. Okay. So when we combine the color yellow and color red, we get the color
Orange.
orange. Very good. So another example is when we combine the color, what do you call this color?
Blue.
Blue and
Yellow.
so when we combine these colors, what do you feel get?
Violet.
Okay, very good. So the color violet. So as you can see here in this example, we have two types of primary colors. The color
Yellow and red.
red. Okay, very good. So when we combine these two primary colors, we get the child that is called the
Orange.
orange, which is the
Secondary color.
Very good. So another example here, when we combine the color blue and the color
Yellow.
which is two primary colors, we get a secondary color, which is
Violet.
violet. Very good. So now that we know how to get and what is the origin of the colors, the secondary colors, now we will have beauty. So I will read the discussion and direction, and first let us group you into two groups. So this is group 1 and this is group 2. So the direction is do your activity based on the instruction below. So for group 1, you will draw a flower and color it using the primary colors. While in group 2, you will draw a house and color it using the secondary colors. So I will only give you 10 minutes to finish this activity and your timer starts now. Okay, now that everybody, are you done?
Yes.
So before we check your answers, I have here our rubrics. Okay, so before you continue the activity, so here is the rubrics for our activity. So I will read it. So creativity 40%, cleanliness 25%, and presentation 35% for an overall of 100%. So now that you know your groups and your assigned tasks, I will give you only 5 minutes to finish this activity. You may now start. Okay, class, everybody is done right? Okay, so for group 1, please choose a leader. Also for group 2, and you will discuss this in the class. Okay, very good group 1. Okay, very good group 2. So now that I think you know what are the primary and secondary colors, now let us test if you really understood our lesson for today. So please get 1/4 sheet of paper crosswise. If the color belongs to primary colors, and ask if it belongs to secondary colors. So number 1, okay, Stephanie, please read. So what do you think is the group of the color red? Okay, very good. How? So I will read first the direction, and you will answer it in your paper. So write P if the color belongs to primary colors, and So let us check if your answers are correct. So number one, is green. Okay, red. So the color, the group of red is, okay, very good. So primary. How about the color green? Okay, very good. So secondary. How about the number three? Okay, violet. So the color is secondary. Very good. So S. How about number four? Yellow. Okay, very good. So the color yellow is in the primary group. So number five, orange. Okay, secondary color. And last, the color blue is in the primary color. Okay, very good class. So now that you know the discussion, the primary and the secondary colors, now please get your notebooks. And answer this. And write this in your notebook. So your assignment is study how to make color through mixing primary and secondary color. Okay? Everyone done? Okay. So now that you know